Now you may also be wondering how to change the color of the train. It is completely configurable. So I'll do two things. First, I'll show off the random color engine and cars. So if we click this train, there's a built-in engine type that is BP engine car realistic random color. Now the color of the engine is going to be randomly assigned at runtime, as well as whether or not it has a stripe. It may or may not have a stripe. We can also set the car type to BP Boxcar realistic random color. And the boxcars, when they have a random color, do not have a stripe. Let's press play and see what colors we get. And if we press play again, I'm going to slow this engine down just so it's easier to watch. And let's say that's not good enough. You want a specific color for your engine and for your cars. So I'll right click on the BP engine car realistic here, create a child class, make a realistic engine that is, let's say, green. We can open that up, and in the class defaults, we'll set it to use two colors, no, so now it just uses one color, and set the primary color to a nice green. Compile that. I recommend saving it, but I'm not going to save it since I'm just demonstrating. And we'll do something similar with the car. Let's take the BP Boxcar Realistic, create a child blueprint class. We'll call it Realistic, let's say Bumblebee color. And I'm just going to call it Boxcar Realistic Bumblebee. Open that up. We'll set the primary color to yellow. Tweak it until it looks decent. And then the secondary color, we'll set it to black. Compile. And now on this BP train, which we still have selected, we'll set the car type to the realistic boxcar Bumblebee and the train car to the green car. You'll notice it's already updated. We press play. That's all you need to know to set up a train in the train rail system. For testing the horn, I made this horn blower, and it simply takes in a delay and then how long do you want the horn to blow and whether or not to loop. We will set this to our train, which is called train 8. Let's call it train demo, just to keep track of it. Now on our horn blower, we'll set it to train demo. We'll wait 3 seconds, we will not loop, and then we will play the horn for 3 seconds. Let's go ahead and press play.